Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Mains economic question. Let's begin the session. This question was asked in 2015. It is a 150 words, 10 mark question. The question is about Digital India program. How can the Digital India program help farmers to improve farm productivity and income? Question mark. What steps has the government taken in this regard? So first keyword is Digital India, and also it is specifically speaking about how this Digital India is going to help the farmer to increase the productivity and also their income. So these are the major things the question is asking, and also it is asking about steps taken by the government in this regard. So what are the steps the government took for this to overcome these issues related to the productivity and income by using this Digital India program? Okay, so these are the questions that asked. So the intro will be, what is Digital India? You can simply say about what is Digital India. So Digital India was launched in 2015 to create a digital infrastructure for empowering the rural communities and promoting digital literacy. So when it comes to digital literacy, means it is nothing but it is the ability to use the apps or the internet services, and also how to do the transactions, everything that comes under digital literacy. Okay, so when it comes to digital literacy, means it is about to using the internet, and also the using that internet that should have the you should need to know about the safety measures also, how safe you can use it. That is also comes under the digital literacy. And also when it comes to Digital India, their major aim is to give the availability. Next, accessibility. And the last thing is affordability. These are the major motive of this Digital India program. So availability of the internet service will be there, and also it will be have the ability to access that. For example, if there is, even though if there is an internet service, still the person need to use that internet service, means they need any mobile phones, even a smartphone. So that is also major thing. And also affordability, the data package net value, that is also the important thing. That will, if the prices is affordable only, means even the poor can access it and they can use it. So these are the major mission they focused on this Digital India mission. Okay, now you have to address this question, how this Digital India program is going to help the farmer in the income and the productivity. First thing, access to the information about the market price, weather forecast, soil analysis report. With that, farmer can make an informed decision making. For example, weather forecast is saying that the monsoon season will have a deficit rainfall in the upcoming month, which means what I will do is I will try to make my land irrigated. I try to store the water resources, because there will be deficit rain, means my productivity may affect. In that scenario, what I will do is I will put certain extra effort to save the water to use in the land. So I will focus on the irrigation of my field. So that is one of the thing I will do. So that is called as informed decision making related to my farming activities. So access to information, providing that services, that will makes me to improve my productivity. If the productivity is increasing, means my income is also going to increase. So there is a direct relationship between the productivity and income. In your answer, this should be there. because if you are going to enhance the productivity means obviously the income also going to be increased. Okay, so if you are going to address only productivity means it is directly or indirectly addressing the income also. So that is more than enough. It is not a two separate question, it is a single question only. Next is e-agriculture services like soil testing, seed selections and crop insurance. This will helps you to reduces the crop failure. Okay, so in that way your productivity is going to increase, obviously income is going to increase. Next, direct benefit transfer. We already discussed about this direct benefit transfer, because this direct benefit transfer is one of the greatest achievement of the India, because due to that only we can overcome the issue of the corruption and also leakages, and also farmer have their own choice, they can make their own choice, because they get the money, they can buy anything. So that is the one of the major benefit given by this direct benefit transfer, and this is achieved only by this digital program, digital India mission, because due to that only the access to the internet is reached to the even to the nook and corners of the rural India. So they can easily access the banking services, they can easily get their money in their bank account, and they can withdraw their money through the ATMs or else where various other means of POS machines with Aadhaar enabled services. So all this things happened due to this digital India program. Next, e-commerce platform. In e-commerce platform, we can directly, the farmer can directly sell their produce. So that is also benefit gave by this digital India program. Next, growth of startups. The last question itself we discussed about the agri startups, agri tech companies. What they will do is they will provide the agri financing. Okay, so that financing activity also based on the technology, based on the satellite data, remote sensing data, they will forecast the productivity of their land, and also they will forecast the weathers, based on which they will provide the loans to the farmer. Based on that only they will provide the crop coverages of insurance. So all these things are done by this agri tech. So the agri tech companies also increasing due to this digital India program only. So that is also going to benefit the farmer. And the last thing is social media platform. Consider that I am having a field, in that field I am cultivating grapes, and in my grape field there is some different pests attacking my grape field. Okay, grape cultivation. In that scenario, in that, in the social media platform, the person who is cultivating the same grape, he is also facing the issue of that pest attack. He is trying a new method, that method overcome the issue of this pest attack means he will share it in the social media platform. While watching that, I also implement in my field and I will make a profit from it. So I also can easily overcome the issue. So by the way, the social media platform is helping them. So that is also for information sharing. So that is the way the digital India program is helping. So these are the certain benefits. For that, the government what they did is, first is BharatNet program. So through the BharatNet program, they are providing the broadband services to the people of the rural India. And also there is a thing called as RailNet. Through the railway network, they are providing the internet services in a broadband connection itself. Next, ENAM. The government is enhancing the activities of the ENAM. It is a marketplace, electronic marketplace. You can sell the producers in that platform. Next, National Mission on Agriculture Extension Technologies. So the government will provide the Digital India programs, and also through the Digital India program there is an app. In that app they will share the National Mission on Agricultural Extensions and Technology. So there are many research things will be going on related to any crops. So in that research, if they are finding any solution for any pest or else any issue of the pest or a disease means, they will share it. So by sharing into the app, the farmer will get notified about that, and the farmer will implement in that field. So that is also benefit of this extension services. And it is another thing is about the agri market app. In that app you will know about the market prices of your produce. So by the way, you can know that you can negotiate for your price. You can say that agri app itself saying that the market price of that my crop is this much, why you are asking for a very low price, you can argue that. So it will give the bargaining power for you. So all these things are done by the government to enhance the digital program to reach the nook and corners of the rural India and also to benefit the farmers. So these are the certain things did by the government, but still there is a issue of reaching it to every parts of the India. So that is the major issue. The government is still working on it. Okay, thank you.